Hello everyone, welcome to this episode where we will be adding navigation and routing to our app using Autoroute SDK. This SDK will enable us to easily define routes and navigation transitions, ensuring that our code remains robust and maintainable. We will be walking through to the setup and implementation of the Autoroute SDK, and by the end of this episode, we will have a fully functioning navigation system for our app. First, we need to add the dependency in the pulse.yarn file. Now, we can create our router configuration file and set the home page as the initial route. With our router configuration in place, we can then add the app router dependency to our material app. Now that we have successfully integrated the Autoroute SDK dependency, we can move on and add in a new recipe detail page. The recipe detail page will display the details of a particular recipe, including its title, ingredients, and instructions. For the recipe detail page, we will pass the recipe title as a parameter to this route so that we can display the correct recipe details on the page. The page will have an app bar with a back button that returns the user to the home page, as well as a title that displays the recipe's title. For the body of the page, we will include a default description for now, but we will later update this with the actual recipe details. And now let's start by defining the route for the recipe detail page in our router configuration file. And finally, we will grab the recipe widget in a gesture detector and add the navigation to the recipe detail page. Now we will be able to tap on a recipe to view its details on the recipe detail page. This is all of this episode. A quick recap of what we accomplished in this episode. We successfully integrated the Autoroute SDK dependency to manage app navigation. We added a new recipe detail page to our app that displays the details of a particular recipe. We defined a route for the recipe detail page in our router configuration file and passed the recipe title as a parameter to this route. And finally, we added a gesture detector to the recipe widget, allowing us to tap on a recipe to view its details on the recipe detail page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, so until the next time, bye!